There we go. Gap down and it bounced. Oh, let me populate some charts here, man. Let's see what's going on. Let me spam some people and shit. All right, let's populate some charts. Let's populate some fucking charts. No bueno, gap down, not as far, not as far that I wanted to see. I'm trading my 25K accounts. 250. It's kind of good for the shorts. I don't see too much money below me. I'm gonna preemptively sell one MES since it's a small account. Risk like 65 bucks on it. Yeah, it looks about right. And eventually, while I'll load up my charts. Hey, Max, what up, hottie? I was gonna. Yeah, that's probably gonna smoke me, man. I don't see it doing much before 8. I think there's orders on MES. See the micro Nasdaq. What a week. All right, we sell one here. Risk $100. 188. That's about right. Really get up my thinkorswim going. Whoa! What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't need that. Yeah, it looks good. What's the high? 388. If it's going to continue, actually, if it's going to continue down, I wanna sell one more on this break. I wanna add instead of before the good volume shows up, but who cares, right? Yes. It looks good to continue for continuation downside. What can I tell you? The longer you wait for a pullback, the less likely to get it, and more likely to chase into it. What are we trading here? 3s and 4s and yeah, there's money on the low. It's funny how I slowed down. Let's press check ES. There's money above. There's money on the low. All right, good stuff. Yeah, these are 25K accounts, man. I had an okay day on them. I lost money on my XFA. Big overconfidence. Stupid. Gonna wait on it. It's the first retrace after the cross. Let me look at the 5. Yeah, 5 don't look good. Shit. Well, it is what it is. If I get kicked out, I get kicked out. You know how it is. Part of the business. Part of the business. Buddy. Probably I shouldn't be drinking coffee at 6:09, but here we are. Relax, relax. I might pull a GTA and shit. Yeah, it was definitely up too early for this. But hey, it is what it is. Oh, first support. Oh man, I shorted the first support after the pivot. Let's see. Is my entry gonna become support for the session? I'm gonna add one here. And if the next bar doesn't bust above the green line 15 EMA, I'm gonna shrink my stop and continue from there. I don't like these bright lights. There we go. Shout out to the real Maximus. Pulled up to my stream. Thanks, bro. You're the man. Oh, let me find some decent beats while this plays out. Classic YouTube user. Royalty top instrumentals. Let's go. No copyright rap beats. There we go. It's reversing on me. Yo, Mimi, what up? Man, I'll rush this short. See how it goes. Yeah, not going well. This reversing up. Yeah, I shorted early, bro. This might climb up and close the gap, but if it doesn't climb up and close the gap, we break this low, it's gonna sell up all night. All night, probably into the morning, all day, to the bottom depths of the instrument. I don't know. I got big price. I'm looking to add give it perspective. I'm not taking profit here. I'm looking to add and probably mark this. I'll be way past the daily profit goal, but it is what it is. Let's see here. Buyers are stepping in. We'll see. We'll see. ES is curling down as well. I like it. I still like it. Even though I was early on the first little leg, I had it at the 15. My stop is way out of proportion, but if it starts pushing above towards the session opening, I'll probably cut it early.
Luxray protection.
Yeah, no sad beats tonight. Hey Derek, what up? My stop is where the validation for that. I stay in it. The funniest thing that this is the last low, and we run back to 29,740. Hey, if so, we'll buy it up later. Yeah, 100 tick started trending. He did seem good. Ah. It's Gucci.
This is
Now or never. Yeah, earlier the news that we bombing Iran caused the gap down. Showed on the hyperliquid chart. I dropped it in several discords. This was that U.S. military Central Command forces start launching series of strikes on Iran. War, ugly stuff. I hope they settle it. Praying for peace. I hope they settle it. How are you guys doing tonight? I know there's not many of you watching me. Hope you're doing well. Oh, if it doesn't turn here, it's gonna be the death of me. It's even a. It looks even better. It's gonna start looking better on this 5-minute close, but I can't add anymore. 2 is my max size on this account. Just cannot break risk. Cannot break risk. No. Yeah, if anything, I should have been long for this, but it's still valid. Oh, there's more money above. 391. Yeah, patience is key. That is correct, Derek. Hey, I'm down 100. I can take it. I can take the 200. It's going to kind of push the DOL in this account, but the trade is still valid. Be funny as hell if my stop is a better entry. It really depends on this 5-minute close. It really. If we top and continue, it'd be very nice. If not, well, it is what it is. I'm looking at 258 and a half. It's where I entered. Next stop. Wait, not 258 and a half. Yep, 258 and a half. 340 is pivotal level. Let's see. We'll see. If we push the 340 and turn around, I'll become a bit more discouraged of sell side continuation. But so far we're looking decent. A price check of previous session volume node and low volume node, and it's where it's at to continue. If not, well, you know, it's part of the game. We're back into trying first peek in the value area on the profile. Boy, it was early again. Story of my dang trading. Imagine if I was in with size. I gotta stop doing that. Gotta look more into these setups. Let's see what's gonna happen at 340. Even though that there's another 28 points, I'm confident we're gonna revisit 340. 363 VWAP, 340 price of interest. 363 VWAP, 340 price of interest. See how the book is cooking. This is where it was. Coulda, shoulda added, but no. Sticking with the predetermined size for the session and the account. It's on this 5-minute bar close, man. Yeah, hopefully it follows, bro. Hopefully, I mean, I want a healthy sell-off, not some bogus BS. There's a lot of money below, man. If there ain't sellers to suffice for this. I made it to the bottom of the hour. I hope I don't get blasted. Stay hydrated. Eeny, meeny. What a turn off the AC, man. Shit. Getting the heavy jibbies. I like to mark the DOM like such. Such a key moment. Such a key moment. I want to see a break of 353, 340, and continuation down to 258s. Humble guy, I'm looking for like 100-point drop during Asia. What can I tell you? Doom stop, doom expectations. Well, let me cut that noise. I'm digging these rep beats anyway. I'm kind of trying to hold you up on the 1 minute, but it looks good to me, man. Looks good. Coming back down to these prices and turning around gives me a little bit more confidence. The purple square, George, is struck again. I should have, coulda, shoulda, woulda. See, well, tonight's session grant me the dinero. Yes. There's bigger lots below. There's money below. The question is, how much we're gonna vacuum up till it makes the attempt to go lift these off. 512s. Oh, oh boy, that's down here. Derek, my brother, this is the target. 21 to 12. Bottom line, 16 and 12. Oh, there's more below an ES. This could be really good. I don't want to be greedy. I need more confirmation. I'm going to time it. Not a leg, pull, and break. And we're going to participate in that. Let's see how it's currently doing. It's not doing much. Probably ES is going to follow instead of lead tonight. Dow, boring. Ah, man, what am I trading here? Chop. Are you making another high or low, man? Get the fuck out of here. We held Drew up and it's pushing. Let's see. Let's see. It's still on the plate. It's still on the plate. $387. Okay. Going for the stops? We going for the stops? Yeah, we're going for the stops. Second time we're up here. I'm not adding. Not adding. Ooh, 100 tick turned around. Not good. I'm getting ready to buy out of this. Yeah, if we hold 380, it's probably gonna crawl up. How many times I've seen this? It gaps down, closes the gap, and continues running. Most times I will buy into it. I feel like there's more possibility of continuation tonight. I don't know. I'm about till I get proven wrong, I guess. Yes, at 75.47 price of interest. And getting a setup. These accounts are too small for a mini, but it's worth looking into. If it breaks back under 75.46.5. Not a financial advice, all of this is entertainment. Do your own trading, make your own decisions, lose your own money, make your own money. Oh yeah, it's turning around. What am I doing? $409. Where's my stop at 4? Bro, that's where where possibly 50-minute could pull up to 409.5. That's where I got my stop. Jeez. Put it above with everybody else. Risk 250. Move my stop like a bitch. Hey, Alex, sorry, bro. Giveaways at end of the month. 100%. There's gonna be a giveaway. End of the month. Stay tuned. Sorry for you losing your accounts, bro. This shit ain't easy. I blow shit up all the fucking time. Don't think I don't. I do. Even if you think about it, I'm over leveraged with 2 micros on this account with a $500 daily drawdown. So itchy to add, but I can't. Just can't. Just can't. Yes, looks much better. Fuck, this will stop me out in the fall, if at all. But a whole lot of but. Not adding. It looks good, not adding. I'm gonna add to ES. It looks good. ES looks much better. Yeah, if Nasdaq starts bouncing here, it's still valid on the 5. It's just if this was New York, I would have already know. Are we gonna make a full pull up on the 15? A price of interest and then decision, or 2.5 minutes, we're gonna lock in a higher low, higher low, higher low. There's more money on the low. See. 6:43 Eastern. I'm in with 2 little tinies on NQ and 2 little tinies on ES. Nah, bro, I can't get in with the big guns on a $500 drawdown. Nah. Derek Broski, I'm anticipating the big trade tonight, so a small size will do it. Hey, thanks for subscribing. Showbiz? I guess it's Showbiz trade. Without the W, that's cool, bro. Hey, dollar in the bank, not in the nick. I shouldn't drink any more coffee. Is there any? Empty. All right, don't bounce now, and me gonna love you long time. Don't ruin our relationship on this one trade. Micro Nasdaq. You know, I've been loving a long time. 390. Let's go do it. I don't even have it. Not a gold trader, to be frank with you. Dow falling? Okay. Trading 2s and 10s and 17s, but not 3s. Interesting. Come on, give me that smooth action. I'm looking to add at 258. Then put on the view up. What? Okay. It's funny how cooked the VWAP is on the tick charts. It's all the way up there. Not good though. Not good at all. Asia. 9 times, moment of truth. Hey, Don, what up? Welcome to the stream. Chilling in my garage, you know. No, my show is random. Probably mostly mornings. I'm doing it tonight just because I'm anticipating a bigger move down on Asia. If if I'm going to be looking for something specific, I'll stream at night. Oh, a latte? Oh. I finished half of this, but it's late 6:47. If I drink the other half, it's gonna be an all-nighter for me. And I don't want that. Now, if this breaks 300 points down, I'll probably start chugging coffee again. Gotta keep an eye on it. Why am I so becoming fearful that the next push-up is gonna be a big Band-Aid ripoff and I'll get cooked. But once an old wise guy told me that if you're staking $200 or $200,000, the principles and the technicals are the same. Well, shit. All right, start buying it back up. Buyers are trying. Now we get threes. Seems like we want to hump over this. But I hope it's not what it seems. 5 minute is still valid, bro. 5 minute is valid. Unless I'm proven wrong. I hope it doesn't pull up to per se 460s and then decides to go down. But it is what it is. I said hope. Not good. Oh, we going up on that, buddy? Yeah, I got only 500 bucks to lose. It might not last me all night. Thinking. Oh, yes, pushing. Shit. Higher, low, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, lower, high, please. Hey, Tom Phillips. Good evening, brother. And the 5 minute don't look that good anymore. I apologize for the silence, but let me roll some beats. Shout out to the people who made these royalty free. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm in with 2 micros. Super light. Oh, too small for phone? Yeah, I'm going to work on that. Two micros from 360. Probably was early on this. I'm not adding. 100% not adding. I'm holding 2 micros NASDAQ. 2 more micro ES from 7545 and a tick. Oh, it's accumulating for another leg up. How it seems. Can get discouraged now. It's still valid on the 5-minute. Asia, man, just this thing takes so long. A man can get confused. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Seven. All right, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, still 7. It's valid on the 5-minute. It's just teasing me. I was early. I assumed too much and I was early. See. Bro, this music is who made this? There's a lot of money on top, man. Ah. $389. All right. I hope the 7 even volatility doesn't smoke me. It's so hard when you are running like trying to get on a bigger trade with low margin. All right, 54 seconds. It's probably gonna smoke me, chat. Chat is probably gonna smoke me. I ain't gonna lie to you. It looks sus. Minute by minute, it's becoming more sus. 5 minutes is still valid. I'm standing this just because of the 5 minutes. Still valid. Still valid. Stand below. Still valid. Oh my god, even the 100 tick flattened out. Oh Jesus. Derek, bro, this probably gonna take all night, bro. You know? You know what? That one trade, remember with gold, $30 up, $30 down. Up, down, up, down. I gave up. Motherfucker runs up like $700 like an hour later. The go figure. So I hate Asia. New York, this would have been done by now. I would have been cooked. With 258 stuff. Yeah, what? It was. Can I point? Not even 100-point stop. Fresh 27-minute bar. Let's get it. What kind of damn music this is, man? Bar's coming back again. It's me and the algos. Yeah, it is messing with me. Hey, I'm until I find out. Oh yeah, that's gonna smoke it. But hey. We're gonna long later. See what the boys on Discord doing, man. 5 minute valid again on this. I'm 2 minutes till the close. 48 seconds. A minute 48 seconds. Let's see. Once it starts cracking lows, it'd be nice. Or high, so it will stop me out. But once we start cracking lows, I'm looking to add. Oh, back to break even. Let's go. It's hitting it's looking first support. Well, not first. Oh, jeez, first support from the pivot. Yeah, hyped up. It fell. What? 20 points? Come on, keep pushing it. There's more money on the low. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful sell stops. Magnificent sell stop. Speculating. Could be buys. Nobody knows, but look at that. Come on, just see yes. I know you like it. Markets like money. The big money is on the lows. Let me see it. Yep. 705 talking to the damn charts. What can I tell you? It's fucking game, man. We'll go to the 100,000. I'm sorry, 1,000 tick. Yeah, how's the audio? Any issues? Anybody? Picture? I know it's small. I'm gonna change resolutions for the next one. I promise. All right, don't flip these settlements here. Please don't flip these settlements. Continuation to the band. Expand. And grant me the dinero. You. Oh, 32 on the buy. Oh, boy. Something happening? Come on, don't smoke me now. Very strong reaction from these lows. Unfortunately, it seems like my entry became support. Come on, you picked up more sellers. Do it. Do it. Yeah, Asia. All right. Probably stopped me out and fall like a bitch. I'm debating on closing it here and just leaving a sell limit up there where my stop is. Let's see, a 5 minute. Getting a little invalidated with this higher low. Equal low, higher low. It kept settlement in the previous higher low. Let's see the 3. Absolute garbo. How much was that wick? Usually it comes back and covers it. 30 points. Alright. Let me change this. Too intense. Come on, sell it, sell it. Stand above VWAP on the 1 minute, but well, stay above VWAP and below the top deviation of it. If this stays here and I'm not stopped out by 8 p.m. when the liquidity injection comes in, I'm closing it at whatever price it is. It should start running at one direction before then, in my opinion. But what do I know, man? I get lucky. They're pressing it now. Show me some fruition. Clear the previous 5-minute wick. Clear the wick. Show me some fruition. I'm going to mark these lows just because. Is it 1-to-1? Close enough. Not taking it there. Sure. Looking for a bigger move. Man, I've been in this trade since the open. Been an hour or so. I don't know, should I be thankful or come to the realization that it's probably taking longer than it should? What's this? 382. We turn around at 382 on the 27-minute chart. Let's see. Even if it prints the close at 727 at the lows, that's a bullish pattern. That red, green, and kind of looking. That's why I look at the tick chart. Look at a 1 minute. This will give you all sorts of emotions. Pushed, bounced, pushed, bounced. Swear to God, if it ranges through here to the top, this will suck. Come on, continuation. Chat, she wasn't kidding, man. We're gonna be here all night. Dawn, I hope this trade goes for me, man. But if we're here all night, bro, I'm telling you, it's your fault. Not kidding. I'm into taking a small loss and walking away, honestly, chat. Market, hey, it's collecting. The algos are collecting before the move. Fingers crossed, Victor. Fingers crossed, bro. Don't do me dirty by holding this low. Come on, show me a break. Come on, I know you want it. There's the money on ES. All the big chunks are under, way under at 33. Oh, you B. Looks like we're locking our range. Okay. If it makes another run up, man, I might give up. Hey, 1F or wait, down F. If you prefer that, you know, I kind of said no to Asia. I'm anticipating a big sell-off tonight. That's why I'm here. Otherwise, I don't be fucking with this. This trade would have been winner, loser. New York opening. That's where I'm usually at the Bell and Beyond. We held the low. Come on. You mighty sideways. Somebody much quicker than me. It's probably milking this range top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. Still valid, bro. Tilt's 50-50. Probably I'm the other 45 on the tilt. That's short because it's 55 green. That's where I shine, Victor. Pre-market New York. I usually catch a block move and I leave a runner through the bell. And if that goes by 10:30, I call it a good day. Today wasn't a good day for me. I cooked. I was short. Switched to long. Market opened up. Smoked me once. I tried buying it. Tilted. Bought again. Hit the DLL. And then have funded 4 accounts. Held 370 twice. I should leave, technically. Hey, we all done it too many times, bro. That's the other thing. We'll still do it. But, you know, having a smaller DOL to cut yourself before you really make a big hole is where I found the sweet spot. And I didn't do it today, so. Yeah, I appreciate you guys pulling up and keeping me company while this is going sideways. I don't want to jinx it. Yeah, bro, 5 minute turning around, 50, bro. 5 minute turning around, 15-minute not turning around. Is this where I get popped? 718. It flipped the 27-minute candle. It's me and the algos with the 4 lots. I was complaining that we're trading threes. Kept up to 4s and 5s. Oh man, ES blew up. And it's still pumping. Oh man, I didn't see that. Shit. Well, we stay with the stops. We stay with the stops. It is what it is. That's the pool in the 15-minute. If it's gonna stay below the 406, 410, it might happen for me. If not, well, that's why I have a stop and a daily loss limit too. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Gotta cut that. I don't like that. Yeah, it's probably gonna stop now. Shit. Well, became a liquid too. Is there news? If there was news, I would have been stopped out by now. Defendant PK's plans. First visit to Israel Wednesday, CNN. Trading the night ahead of FOMC too. Hey, if I'm wrong about the sell-off, that's where I'll be wrong 100%. But I'm also still debating on taking it out and putting the limit up there. Damn levels, boy. Damn freaking levels, boy. Yeah, yeah. I was more of anticipating gap down and run than gap down, chop close, and I guess overtake it. It's been the team where we gap down and Asia closes it up and even up runs. It's been the team, but I saw something different tonight, and that's why I'm here. We'll see. If I'm right, I'm right. If not, well, $500 is a manageable amount. I got my 50Ks. Scammer. I don't know who dropped my number. It's probably one of prop firms. But yeah, that's 500, and I have 1,000 and 1,500 on dollars. So I'll have something to trade tomorrow during New York. All right, let's see how much heat. This is why I moved my stop. Initially was under here. Let's see how much this 15-minute is gonna, how much heat this 15-minute chart is gonna give me. It's probably gonna flip around. I ain't gonna lie to you. And me staying in it for the full stop is not the wisest thing to do. $7.24. 3 more minutes. It's 7:27. Well, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Let's watch the 3 minute. Key moment again. Key moment. We're above the range. We're above the range. Let's see. Are we going to come back in it or hold it and break out? If it holds and break out, well, it is what it is. It's the final sign that it's not going to happen for me. That's absolutely fine. It'd be nice if it flips the body on this 27 minute below 382. That'd be very nice. Not gonna. But hey, nice and markets are two completely different things. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna hold for target and stop. Yeah, that's a manageable amount. I am starting to consider taking out one of the trades because I have 2 micro ES to limit exposure, but no, I'm gonna stick with the stops. One more minute. See what I get from the cereal box. Cook your dookie. Oh, come on. Oh, this 1 minute wants to blast in my face so bad. Long-term stochastic is falling. Okay. Okay. This still has a chance. Keep an eye on ES too. The 27-minute bar. Come on. $3.98. Okay. We're holding above the range, kinda. This is where I coulda, shoulda flip it long, but no. See how the next 15-minute goes. If I ain't stopped out by then, it'd be very nice. I don't know if you guys hear the birds. They're going wild tonight. It's 7:30 and they're chirping and losing their shit. There's probably parrots outside and all kind of other wildlife. Man, I live in Florida. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh, come on, do it already. Yeah, bro, annoying as I don't know. I don't have a word for it. How annoying could be. And that's the other thing. It slows down on you on Asia, and suddenly it changes the pace, and bam, candles are flying all over the place. Dude, swear to God, this is probably gonna run up the 425 where I'm at and stay there for all night and fall. What am I out here? 360 to 340 points. That's a lot. It's not 40 points, is it? 360, 340 points? Yeah, 37. Oh, okay, some selling. Whew. Whew. Excuse me, guys. What's the 100 they're doing? Oh my God. Here we go. Hey, post the fact if I lose this trade, somebody could be, oh, it was obvious, gap fill. It's never dang obvious, bro. It's never dang obvious. Boy, I love this recliner. Sometimes I'm too relaxed than I should be, but is this the last pull for buyers to hop on? Or this relative top below known resistance? It's where things gonna turn around for me and it's finally gonna start going my way. We got a break. Is it right here right now? 382, 386s. Why am I so sketched out that it's gonna whip up, whip down? Oh Jesus. Alright. We're at opening price 387. Slightly below. What's in the book? There's money on the low. Come on, ES. Maybe actual sellers. ES closed the gap. Come on, do it already. What's a 2000 tick doing? Oh, taking its time. We came back to close to VWAP, 200 MA, 50 SMA. Man, it's a chop board. Come on, give me that momentum. Don't F with me like this. Low set on 376. Okay, 376. $375. 376. Kind of above. Don't go get it. Come on. This, I speculate this at some point is going to disappear. But are they pressing it for better entries on the Lolo? Or trying to initiate something? If that's a buy stop short, and it gets lifted, this will be bad for me. Let's see. First 5 minutes of the 15-minute auction. It looks all right. Technically, on the close it is, and what, 10 minutes, if it doesn't flip the bar, I can move my stop down. And this time for real limit exposure. Hey, let's shout out to Jay. Let's slap the 10 line. Okay, we got a 10 line. If it ain't you guys, yeah, nothing ever obvious, bro. 100%. If it ain't you guys, I'll be playing GT and not even look at this. But it chilling, 736. An hour and a half of this trade, and see what? Only drawdown. Come on, man. All right, point of control, 368 on the 27-minute chart. Yesterday's point of control, 327. We back below the first volume node on the profile at the lows of value area. 326. Okay, 326. 326. If this candle retracts, same way a turtle retracts its head and neck inside its shell, I'm not going to be devastated, but I'll be mostly laughing through small tears. Just because that's how Asia will always freaking get me. Back to what I was saying, I'm anticipating a bigger move tonight. We've been on a lot of legs down, but we'll see. I hope this is not the stretch for liquidity to fill this up, which got split. We're coming down with some decent momentum, but it's starting to fade down at bottom of the range. George, if you're watching, keep your fingers crossed that this purple square does not strike again, bro. I got the trend line. I got all the gizmos. I'm not gonna name it, but this definitely swept me. To admit, I'm not gonna give myself a positive score on my journaling system for execution. I could have acquired better price up here and take much less heat. This is not even going my way yet. It bit 1, 2, 3, 4 times licked me for break even. Oh, the purple square strikes again. You bitch if you run up back to the top of the range. No joke. You ain't my baby anymore. Me and you, we're gonna have a different relationship. if we run up back to the top of the range and don't break lower prices. This bar closing in 6 minutes before 8. Man, 8 p.m. volatility, whatever, in liquidity injection, whatever. If that shit cooks me up, we hitting back VWAP, price of interest. We gotta break that 340. Next stop, 258, 240s, 144. Optimistic. We see a little green, we become a little bit more enthusiastic and optimistic about the outcome of this chop. If this is like a smaller sweep below the range and starts running back up, man, I'm the fuck out of here with it. I'm saying done with Asia again. I've been done with Asia for quite some time. Usually, I kind of push the wifey in front of the bus lately to trade Asia. So I have a script for this stream. If anyone, the intro was, well, if you're here, you know who I am. It's your boy Doom. 2, I had my analysis kind of as I got into the position that I'm anticipating sell-offs tonight. I rushed into it. I didn't, have the signs that we're gonna close the gap and then make the move, which is still what am I up here? $20. Mamma mia. That's how much I paid for a coffee drink and a pizza at 7-Eleven. Side quest. Okay, so introduction. Well, you know who I am. Thank you. Love you guys. You're the best. Analysis. Made that, did that. Entries at the 15 EMA. Well, kind of rushed that too. And there's the follow-up stuff, but that's after the trade pins out. Okay, we licked 340. We licked 340. Your magnificent hood delight. And the 10 line. I love that, Jay, bro. I'm stealing that 100%. Sorry. Beat me if you get me. Beat me, bro. But I'm stealing that. Giorgio VWAP. It's the VWAP boys. What I anticipate is they're getting the next broken. I hope it doesn't bounce. 1, 2, 3 bars. I hope it doesn't bounce. That was the 1 minute. I'm gonna keep an eye on 15. If this turns around and becomes another higher low, it'll suck. But it's going to be a market generated information that I will have to account for and act accordingly. But till then, we on the sells, baby. $36. Doo-doo. All right, let's see. Yes. Are we coming down to those big lots? Not even close. Amy, yes. What are we getting in here? At break even. Yes. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's now or never. Like we gotta break that 340. Dude, people would laugh why I have like so many levels on my chart, but they all come in clutch. So, and when your levels line up with the auto calculated pivot indicator, that's pivot, first support, second support, third support. If they line up with your levels, well, it's good stuff. If we start bouncing, potentially I could long the thing. I could. But my higher time frame analysis is sell side, shorts. Not a financial advice, so this is entertainment. I'm going to start telling jokes to prove it in a little later. In a little bit. Where's my 3-day? Let's see, not this. Why do I have 2 of these? Okay. Okay. We bouncing again. Okay. $340, such a mighty level, dude. We cut this. We could see the 894s, 28,900s. Call it 900s. See what I mean? Well, that's MES, but MEQ. Oh, boy, do I got levels. Yeah, 900s. It's either gonna break or bounce. It's gonna be one of the two things. All right, we're getting a little bit of momentum. Let me mark that 340 on this chart so you guys can see it. And I'm going to name it as the 3-day chart slider. 3-day chart. Two more hours. Hold on tight. Red folder. It can either go up or down. Let's go. But good stuff. Let's go short. Hey, bro. If it breaks 340, there's gonna be serious momentum behind it. If this is like a low poke for this is where I could have pulled up my book map, but that's not that much of resting liquidity. I cannot spot passive buyers. ES has much more to offer at 75,033. That's $10 below from where we at. Oh, the trend line. Oh my God, no. Don't do me like that. If this runs up and stops me out with the dumbest shit ever. And we'll prove that higher low that I was talking about on the 15-minute new bar. Gotta wait for the close, bro. It's not going to be market generated information if I don't wait for the close on this bar and then the following one that would prove that we establish a low and we continue above the body of the current. God forbid, break it. Or I can take my $50 and just give them the finger and go about my night. But this is Asia. I gave up on Asia. I'm in with super small, anticipating something big. The risk is on, so can't chicken out tonight. Often I talk myself out of a decent trade after being in drawdown in the chop and kind of milking me like that, and then it suddenly goes my way. I tend to kind of sketch out on the first bounce and take it. But the nights that I haven't, boy, I've ran like I think my record was like close to $1,600, starting with one micro and 400-point win. I added two more. Don Freeman, I'll probably pop the coffee now. Hey, Keith, thanks for pulling up, bro. The VWAP boys, yep. Hey, sometimes they win, sometimes they get run over. Same as the Momentum boys, same as, my boys, them boys. 318. Let me enlarge this. Here we go. Is that at 18? That's it. That's 20. Do I really want to add here? Well, I hope we storm through there. Man, 340. An hour ago, I was talking about it. That, getting to 340 is going to be a big thing. And happens to line up with the trend line. Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. That's something I told Derek. When it hits that line and it has the possibility of making a higher low, it's a good place to take a little bit of profit. But the trade I'm in doesn't dictate that. Oh boy, it's VWAP bottom deviation and it's trying to make a relative bottom but the 5-minute bull bands are expanding. Okay, we good. I'm confident in this break. I'm confident in this break. Earlier as I mentioned, if it makes the red end, it was on the second green bar after the push, took the third, it's the fourth. That's a very bearish. If it closes as it is, At 27, 727. Next one at 754. If it closes as it is, it's a very bullish price pattern. I used to take it on the 5 and the 15, but it's very successful on the 30-minute or the 27-minute chart. All right. We got 850 bucks to go from here. Keep on going. Please be my girl. I want to bring back that relationship that we had beginning of the year. The first quarter is always strong for me. I love NASDAQ. She's my home girl. We had good times, bad times. We've been through so much. Come on, Nazi. Pay tonight, we're gonna still love you a long time. Some sauce time. High, lower high, lower high, lower high, sell off, lower high, lower high. Continuation, price check, lower high, continuation, price check, lower high, and continuation, and price check. That's kind of the analysis without going to too much sauce, as Georgia likes to call it. But the big old but. Come on, don't hesitate here. It's okay, there's money, there's more money below. See the 2000 tick. It's a turnaround point. I could put my stop in the green at 340. But do I really want to? It could price check after a bigger push down. I'm really interested to see these lows get taken with momentum at even 300s. Well, 318-ish to about 304. I'm not going to be your boy Doom if I'm not using my hands to kind of describe the range I'm looking at. This will take a good minute. Kid, how you doing, buddy? I hope you smooth things out at house and you ain't on the road, bro, because a good trucker deserves a good break. And I appreciate you being out there and dedicating time of your life to deliver good stuff to us, the basic humans that take going to the store is a necessity. Like the stuff inside magically appear, nobody does it for us. What are we up here? From 360 to what, 40 points, close to 40 points, 36 points. And at worst, I was down 37 points at the top of the range. Is that right? 47. Okay, so that'll be down there. It won't be a bad idea to take profit one here, 1-to-1 to the max heat I took. But Doom, it doesn't work like that. Let's take a peek at ES. I don't really have much of a target for ES. Besides that, oh, they split the orders. Okay. Are we getting big sales? Not really. I'm gonna keep a monitor, keep an eye on NASDAQ or monitor chart as I'm looking at ES. Come on, break, baby. All right, with the low, price checking, sweep it, sweep it. $258. You know what? I'm gonna buy and sell one on the break, so I can stay in with two for the target. Don't hold lows now. Don't do me like that. Just don't do me like that. Imagine if I had a mini. We bottom ticked and it bounced. Let's see. Are we gonna get even 300s? Even though if I lock it up now, you know, it doesn't work like that only on the wins. But oh, bro, tarping. I've helped a couple of you guys to take it back up while I was waiting on the line and stuff to deliver chemicals when you guys were delivering lumber. You know, the places where they make the electrical posts, they dip the trees or the I forgot the word. Anyways, I brought shit ton of chemical that they dip the wood so it can last longer for electrical posts. And bro, hard job, especially on a hot day. Oh boy, that's tough with the tarps. I'm 37. I was doing it when I was 20 something. Help the guy, not even doing it. I know it's a different category when you're a box hauler and a skateboard puller. And not easy, not easy. That's a task. I hope you guys get the extra chunk for putting in that manual labor because it's bad. Well, it's not bad, but it's heavy, especially on a hot day. Those tarps are heavy. We creeping lows, creeping lows. If I'm a pro, I'm gonna take some and re-enter on the pullback, but I don't think there's gonna be much of a pullback straight down. Bro, you 69? Yo, shout out to Keith. He old, doesn't give up, works like a horse, kills it on man. Good stuff, Keith. Shout out to you, man. I wish I'm as strong as you when I'm 69, bro. That a guy. Bro, Tarp's at 69. You're a machine, man. You're a machine. Georgie, the purple square, bro. The purple rectangle. I hope smooth passage. What am I up here? 50 points. 100 points from N3. Well, wait, 50 points. 50 points from N2. Not bad, not bad. This is another little zone where I could capitalize because 318 is a price of interest. Also, the previous low settlement on the 27. If this, God, please forbid, we flip around and we start pushing above this previous body close, technically it would be a higher low from price of interest that he's to price checks on wicks. I hope the candle doesn't pivot here at 318, 319. I'm very itchy to buy one for the break, but can't. I didn't mess with it on the top. I ain't gonna mess with it here. We hold for target. I learned that from one trader I found about, I don't know, half a year ago. You know, I just found him on the Discord. Solid guy, trading very good. And monster. Holds for his target, whatever. It don't matter. Bombs be falling outside. Man's like, not moving stuff. Look, my analysis came to fruition. Did it give me heat? Did it sweat me? Yes, yes. But my sizing was right. My stop was right. Even going half bitch moving my stop up was also correct. At this point, the only thing for me to do is monitor for market generated information. And if it starts giving me ideas that things could turn around, to act accordingly. I was initially looking to add here one at a 58, but I am considering taking one out and adding one, sell, and keeping my average grandma mathematics at around 307, which would be another 40, 50 points, 50 points from where I should have. What are we up here? We're up a little bit. Let me take a peek at ES. MES, money on the bottom. Okay, I like it. They retracted. Let's see if we got mesh. I would no margin, bro, for ES. Every time I go on these little accounts with a mini, no room to take the heat. And earlier, this is what the market will do to me. Like I'll be right about it, but my timing might be a little bit off, or earlier it was me and the algos, and that will throw me off while they're collecting. Okay, I want to see that push for the 75.33s. If it flies up from here, it takes me out. Be the dumbest thing ever. I'm keeping an eye on MAQ as well. That's wave 5 on the 5, but that don't mean jack shit. It's wave 2 on the 15 and barely break it on the 45. Hey Don, you hottie. It's gonna take all night, man. Hey EMS, how's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. Oh, we go. Here we go. The push for the 533. Sweepy. The money is down here. Derek, I hope you're still in this, bro. Come on, take it. Yo, where we at? Bro, we close. Bro, we close, bro. We close. Oh, don't turn around now. Oh, you vicious cut. Don't turn around now. Come on, show me that momentum. We're so close. Come on. Give me. Give me fill one. Add one. Man, we hitting lows hard. I should have been a little bit more aware on the settlement lows. 27, right at it, 266. 266. Jesus. 75.32 price of interest on MES, and that will be the second pivot support. I ain't gonna say I'll be devastated if this turns around, but 258 is a big level, and I'm above 1-to-1 here, but we're holding for target. We're gonna hold for target. If I am correct, which so far I've been proven right, this is just the beginning. Or is that big sweep and it's going to bounce in? I'll be devastated. Nah, I mean, it's got the pizzazz. I like it. We had lows, though. We had lows. Will this be a discount appreciated or shorts closed? I didn't like that push at all. If this goes back to the top of the range, I've been laughing my ass off. Quickly ate half of the profits. Oh man, really? 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 What I was saying about the 27-minute. Flipping around and technically making a higher low. When does this shit close? 8:21. There's another 50 minutes to this. Boy, I don't want to get cooked. Wow, really? Really? Back to 340. Okay, it's now or never, sexy. We're back at 340. Really? Derek, you laugh your ass off, bro. What's the news here? I'm back at break even. Wow, from like 400 and NASDAQ. Yeah, not surprised. What's the news? Japanese currency, NSA forecast. Okay. Wow, I'm in drawdown. Wow. What a shocker. What a shocker. Well, let's not freeze up here. 500. Let's see. They didn't take the money at the lows, man. That's what I get. The purple square struck again. Wow. Headline, trader doesn't take profit. Everything goes to shit. That was the man. I got distracted, forgot that it's 8 p.m. Wow. Back to the sweats. Get the hell out of here. I'm keeping an eye on that 15. Emotional damage. To say we hold the lows, it has to close, so we hold the lows. We didn't hold shit till then. 370. Yeah, this is obviously squeezing on me. Yes, at break even. Not anymore. Oh wow, buddy. Buddy, I should have reversed it down there. Yes, at break even. I'm gonna hold the ES straight, even if I get kicked out of this. Buddy, more risk. Oh yeah. Buddy, more risk. Am I gonna be able to survive this 15-minute auction? I could size one out. Not give in on the risk. Let's see the close. 4 minutes. Keep it on the 5 as well. Wow, what a bummer, bro. I got distracted. Next time I'm gonna set up my alarm clock for 8, like 5 minutes before that. Because it came down and swept deep. 1 minute. What we got? Yeah. Wow, if I survive this. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Wow. Damn, man, I could emotional damage. Yeah, man, I kind of missed I skipped seeing this Kukumba. We hold fucking target, man. Two minutes. I'll probably not go survive this, and I'm gonna take the L. Wow. What a bummer, G. Yeah, it's still squeezing. Shit. What a freaking candle so far. 150 points. Get the hell out of here, bro. You can't chase into it. Screw that. 1 minute. Let's see what the next one does. We're gonna lick this. I should take one out. Debating. The more I think about it, the more hurt I'm gonna get. 48 seconds. Man, probably next 15-minute candle is gonna blast too. What do we got here? 442. I'm at 441. Wow. Well, there goes the 500. "26 seconds and still pushing. Shit. Whew. I'm ready for the next one, man. And I'm gonna cut one out. 8 seconds. ES didn't push as much. Wow, bro. What? Yeah, I should cut one. It's gonna stop me out before I cut one out. Hmm. Very sus. Very sus. Yeah, I'm gonna cut one out. 3, 2, 1. Cut one out. What I take? 155. Wow, bro. That's what I mean about Asia. You know, you get comfortable, you're in a good fucking sell, and next thing you know, bam. S&P didn't push as much. Come on, we turn around here would be nice. Not adding to it. No chance. We break lows, yeah, I'm gonna add. I should limit my exposure here, 100%. What's this? Another 100. I got one at the top, but hey. Violence. See you at 15. If we hold 388, I could switch long. Or probably call it a night. $200 is it's a fixable offense. This did give me heat. Ah, bitch. Hmm. There's gonna be a fight here. Yeah, it's turning around. It is a relative top. It is turning around. Yeah, bro. Wow. This definitely caught me by surprise. That's why you're supposed to trail your winner in. For shit like this. I was up $400 down here, if not over. Come on, ES. Give it up. Back to opening. Wow. What a bummer, bro. What's that? 14? Yeah, picked up the pace. I'm out of this. I'm out of this. 288, manageable. I still think it has the potential. Oh, that's way too far. Hold on. I am adding to the MES trade. Did I add before the blast? We're gonna find out. From 400 unrealized to 3. Still manageable. Is this gonna cook me these guys? What's you guys doing? Money at 35.68. How things switched on me quick, man. The market can switch on you like that. Too comfy and chug wood. Oh yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, bro. Yeah, 100%. Keep an eye on Nasdaq. Do I really? I don't want to chase into longs here, bro. I don't want to chase into longs at all. I'll reshort. And buy back quick. Yeah, I should have chased into longs. Gonna break on my ass. Oh, that's getting out of hand. Yeah, I'm probably gonna hit the 500. Tough luck for your boy Doom. Oh man, locked out? Not yet. I should have chased into long 75 bucks. God damn it. Bias. Bias, bias, bias. All right, I'm out on that. It locked me out. Well, I guess that's a stream. Wow, how things flipped. Wow, from 4 to 4. Wow. Wow, what a bummer. Well, for I don't know how many people were here. Thank you for watching and keeping me company in this not so amazing trade on NASDAQ. Obviously wrong. Well, right, wrong, don't matter. What matters is manage the risk. That's manageable. I'll take care of it tomorrow. I have more accounts for New York. Fortunately, these 25Ks are back at starting balance. Hey, we struggle a little bit. It is what it is. Catch you guys tomorrow or Thursday, whatever feel like it. No fit schedule for you, boy Doom. Thank you for watching. Let me drop and play the outro. Peace.